Assimilate offers their industry-leading tools for free, letting us all know once again that resistance is indeed futile. More after the bump. What's up, family? It's JEM. I am not rendering. Consider that like and subscribe. Posting VFX related videos for the independent filmmakers and VFX artists as often as we can. Besides that, we have a good time. Today, I want to talk some great breaking news about the folks over at Assimilate and their huge announcement to offer tools under their brand: Scratch, Live Assist, Scratch VR, Play Pro, Scratch Web, and Live Looks for free. That's right, y'all, for free until October of this year. This is a great offer under what they have coined their Creative Boost campaign. Now, for y'all not familiar with Assimilate and its signature product, Scratch, let's get you caught up on one of the most impressive finishing platforms in the industry. For over a decade, the squad over at Assimilate has pushed the digital finishing frontier, with Scratch being used on films such as Black Panther, Jojo Rabbit, Atomic Blonde, Deadpool, and on television shows such as True Detective, Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D., and my visual candy bookmark, Lost in Space. Scratch competes with industry grading and finishing platforms such as Baselight, NuCoda, and yes, Resolve. It's a powerful platform, one that I've used since 2009 when it was the first to embrace red color science, the raw R3D format, and debayering. And even though the learning curve is a bit stiff, there's plenty of tutorials and videos to ease your transition to get you started. And if you've used Resolve before, the workflow is amazingly similar. It consists of, instead of pages, panels, which are along the bottom of the UI, which take you through the workflow. The construct panel allows you to ingest content and arrange clips. You can basically use it as a bin and arrange your clips and how you want them to be put in. The edit panel as well for editing. One note: unlike Resolve, you're not constrained to media being in the same frames per second in your timeline. Content can be conformed once it's placed, allowing an editing experience common to Avid or Premiere. EDL, XML, AAC imports are all supported. Dynamic round tripping to After Effects and timeline VFX are done via the FX panel. Of course, being that this is a finishing platform, the color panel is a true workhorse of Scratch, giving you access to rock solid scopes, versioning for multiple grades and for multiple outputs. Of course, LUT support and the ability with 9.2 to soften LUT grades in specific areas and over specific channels, which, trust me, is a big deal. Finally, there's the render panel, which is node-based, allowing you to construct multiple outputs for theatrical, broadcast, streaming, H.264/H.265, Blu-ray, you name it. In short, if you're a filmmaker looking for a finishing round of your film before October, I don't think you can pass on this. Short of Resolve Studio, this ups your game, which is what we all care about, right? Let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the timeline. Let us know what you think about Assimilate's Creative Boost campaign, hit or miss. And if you're interested in a test drive, I've included the link below. And if you guys want me to do some indie-focused Scratch tutorials, you know what you got to do. Like, subscribe, and drop me a line below. Additionally, be on the lookout for my upcoming 3-part free and open source VFX tool series, which includes a VFX giveaway, a DCP delivery video based on my 3-week 80 DCP delivery for a major film festival, and a review of Rokoku's motion library, and much more. Remember, sub, like, and I look forward to your nouns, verbs, and adjectives below. Until then, this is the Sippy. Deuces.